Have you ever wondered how doctors safely remove tissues from the uterus for diagnosis or treatment? In this video, we shall explain dilation and curettage procedure. D and C stands for dilation and curettage. In simple words, firstly, the cervix is gently opened, that is called dilation, and then the uterine lining is scraped or sectioned out, that is known as curettage. It is commonly done for things like abnormal bleeding, retained products after miscarriage, or for diagnostic purposes. So, D and C is performed mainly for abnormal uterine bleeding when periods are irregular or heavy, for the management of post miscarriage bleeding, to remove remaining tissues. It is also done for endometrial sampling to check for infection or abnormal cells. Sometimes there are abnormal growths or polyps, so we have to done dilation and curettage procedure to remove these small growths safely. Now, let's look at the instruments. Speculum is used that holds the vagina open. Tenaculum that gently holds the cervix in place. Cervical dilators that are introduced gradually open the cervix. Curettes used to scrape the endometrial lining. Suction device sometimes used instead of scraping. Remember that choosing the right size dilator and curette is very important to avoid any kind of injury to female reproductive system. Now discuss the procedure in stepwise. First step is patient preparation. The patient lies on the OT table. Sometimes local or general anesthesia is used. Then speculum is inserted to open the vagina to see the cervix. Then cervix is stabilized by using a tenaculum forceps, that is single toothed forceps. Then dilators are gradually introduced starting from smaller size to large that are used to open the cervix. Next step is curettage or suctioning. The uterine lining is carefully removed using curettes or suction cannula. Then speculum is removed, cleaning is done, antiseptics are applied, all the instruments are removed and patient is monitored. So, always dilate gradually, never forcefully. Use correct size instruments. Monitor the patient in case of bleeding or pain. Always follow sterile techniques to prevent infection. Follow these steps to avoid any kind of injury to the cervix or vagina. Which instrument is used to gently hold the cervix in place during D and C procedure? Comment your answer below. That was dilation and curettage explained in a simple way. If you are a student, make sure you remember the indications, steps and instruments. If you are a curious viewer, now you know how doctors perform this procedure safely.
Visit our playlist.gyne instruments and procedures on Medscope.